I think it's important to note that I was explaining previously that Faith is an app where we try to bring together, connect the consumer with the merchant. So it's kind of like a two-sided marketplace, meaning we have a demand generating side. So we have a marketing team that always tries to bring in new customers through all our digital and physical online and offline channels. But also we have a sales side. We have our teams trying to bring more merchants in. So we have business development leads and different salespeople on the ground talking to merchants and trying to get them into our product. So these two are probably our two main stakeholders because generally whatever we build, either on the consumer side or on the merchant side, it helps them make their lives easier and also delivers value to their most important customer. But then whenever a merchant signs up and they want to sell something through our app, of course, that also somehow needs to get into the app. So we also have an operations team who's responsible for that. But under the operations team, we also have our customer support and partner management team. So basically, whenever our customers or our merchants, they have any questions, the app is not working for them, then they also talk to them. I think that's the most important what we call not our direct stakeholders, more like the teams we collaborate with. But of course, one of the most important teams that you work with as a product manager is your engineering team. We like to call our teams product teams. So product team consists of 5 to 7 engineers, just enough to get the job done, to drive the product. We usually have a product designer in that team. We also have a data scientist in that team. So whenever your product needs to have some reports done, all of that is handled by data science, but also they help us with recommendation algorithms and any more powerful data solutions that we need. There's also a QA engineer, so someone who is responsible for making sure the product is bug-free. And that kind of forms then our product squad or product team, who is then empowered to drive the vision of a certain vertical, certain product in our whole product offering forward. Other than that, there's also other stakeholders that might be more or less important. Like sometimes our products, they need to, when it involves the merchant side, there needs to be a merchant payout. So when the merchant gets money from us because they sell something through us. So finance team is also heavily involved in some cases. We also have a partnership or co-marketing team. So they sign partnerships with different brands, and then we bring out offerings together with them. I think that's the most important ones you should keep in mind. But of course, also the titles of the teams might change in different companies. But in the end, that's probably a good overview of what is there.